I'm Missy Evans, and I'm going to be singing Good Girl by Carrie Underwood. Hey, good girl, with your head in the clouds, I bet you I can tell you what you're thinking about. You see a good boy, gonna give him the world, but he's gonna leave you crying with your heart in the dirt. His lips are dripping honey, but he'll sting you like a bee. So lock up all your love and go and throw away the key. Hey, good girl, get out while you can. I know you think you got a good man. Why you gotta be so blind? Won't you open up your eyes? It's just a matter of time till you find he's no good, girl, no good for you. You better get to getting on your goodbye shoes and go. Better listen to me, he's a low. Hey, good girl, with a heart of gold, you want a white wedding in a hand you can hold, just like you should, girl, like every good girl does. Want a fairy tale ending, somebody to love, but he's really good at lying, yeah, he'll leave you in the dust. And when he says forever, well, it don't mean much. Hey, good girl, too good for him, better back away, honey, you don't know where he's been. Why you gotta be so blind? Better open up your eyes, it's just a matter of time till you find he's no good, girl, no good for you. You better get to getting on your goodbye shoes and go.